You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this molecule. If you want to learn more vocabulary that is confusing from medicine, stay tuned. There are more videos for you you'll want to listen to and learn from. Sodium, you probably knew that. Sodium nitroprusside. Nitroprusside. Sodium. How to pronounce in English. English pronunciation. Sodium nitroprusside. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.